1999 Ford Mustang 35 anniversary. Really sexy car. Look at that back wheels on that sucker. I love the wheel setup on it. That's a nice stagger set. Anyways, what we got done on it: 4 converters, 2 there factory H-pipe. And then he watched a few of our videos and said, I want the MAGNAFLOWs, part number 11236. We said we can deliver. So as you guys can see, there's the 2 MAGNAFLOWs there and there. And then it's got factory tailpipes out the back on each side, right there, and factory tips out the back, angle cut, 3-inch angle cut tips there and there. And it is a GT, so it's gonna sound really nice. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Also, I have a question. Tell me which body style you guys like more. This one, or the newer one after this one, or the newest one that came out, the Coyote. Let me know in the comments. And like always, guys, subscribe. 2002 Ford Mustang GT, 4.6 liter. Believe it or not, guys, it's only got 4,000 miles on it. And the condition of it tells it was a show car. He just bought it from an older gentleman, and he brought it to us so we can make it sound good, because it was way too quiet before. And it comes with 4 factory converters. You can look at them. They look almost brand new because it's barely been driven. As you guys can see, these are the factory converters. There and there. Then it's got a factory H-pipe right there. Then what we did is a mid muffler delete. There and there. That's where the stock mufflers go on these. And also then we reuse his original tailpipes on each side, 2 1/4 all the way back. And we and then we put new tips on it. I don't know what's going on with the reuse. We put new tips on it. 4-inch blue flame there and right there. Came out really clean, really beautiful. You guys can see from the car is mint. It's really clean for a 2002. And there's the 2 mufflers and 2 stock tips that we took off. There it is after. We'll have a link in the description for the tips for you guys if we can find one. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Perfect. Here's sound decibels. Once they break in, they get about 10% louder in about 30 days. Again, right at 94.2. Go ahead and back it up. She's really clean, man. How long you had it?
Like a year.
Really? She's clean. Yeah. Sounds good. She's mid though. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. That sounds phenomenal. There's sound decibels. Right up to 109. I'll let you guys see the interior in a second. The car is clean. That sounds so good. Go ahead and back it up. Loud and proud. Got a nice idle to it too. I like that look of the tip lift. That's clean right there. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. 1999 Ford Mustang Mint. It's got 195,000 miles on it, guys. I can't believe that. That's crazy how clean it is for that many miles. He got it out of Alabama about a year ago. He's been fixing it ever since. He did an awesome job on it. There she goes. With MAGNAFLOW's 14-inch body. Mustang GT. Straight pie. Nice idle to it too. Nice. Enjoy, guys.